In the last 6 years, I've shared almost everything about my vending machine business, all the amazing stuff like buying vending machines, growing my company, and your favorite thing to watch, collecting cash from my vending machines and showing you guys how much I really make. The thing that most people don't see though is the downsides, the frustrating days where I just want to set one of my vending machines on fire because I can't figure out how to fix it, or the losses, like when I spend $8,000 on a brand new vending machine, put it on location, and it makes 50 bucks a month. Like, the truth is, vending isn't as sweet as it might look on camera, and it's for sure not a passive income business that makes you hundreds of thousands of dollars a month by working 5 hours a week. So in this video, I'm going to show you the side of vending that no one else talks about and the stuff that actually makes a lot of people quit, starting with one of the biggest issues in vending right now, inflation. All right guys, right now we're inside of Sam's Club, which is where I buy most of my product from, and check this out. 6 years ago, this box of peanut M&Ms was 60 cents per unit. Right now, $1.10. That's nearly double the price. And don't even get me started on shrinkflation, which is whenever the price goes up but the packaging gets smaller. Snickers, I'm looking at you. But here I am buying chocolate, because what am I gonna do? Not sell chocolate in my machine? And of course, it's not just chocolate prices that went up, it's everything from candy, sodas, Coke, energy drinks, chips, and pastries have all gone up in the last 5 years, meaning I've had to raise prices in my vending machines at least once a year, if not every few months. The real issue though is that while 95% of customers do understand that prices in the vending machine have to go up, the other 5% can sometimes get upset. For example, I've been told multiple times, why are the Red Bulls in the machine $3.50 when the gas station has them 2 for $5? Or why are the Skittles $2 when Walmart has them for $1.50? So, and to be honest, sometimes people even stop buying out of the vending machines after I raise prices. And of course, I can't really compete with Walmart or gas stations because they order millions and millions of products every single month, so distributors give them better pricing. I gotta stick with Sam's Club. Moral of the story, if you want to run a successful vending machine business, you have to make sure you're actually profiting. I check my product cost every 3 months to make sure I'm up to date with pricing. And actually, you know it's getting bad when Arizona no longer has the $1.25 price on the bottle, which even if it did at 70 cents per bottle, we really couldn't price it that low. It would have to be like $1.50 minimum. And look, I'm not saying the vending machine business isn't profitable or you won't make any money. Of course, yes, it can be fun most of the time, but it's still a business, so it does require some basic business skills. So because of inflation, I have been trying to find other creative ways to make extra money to help cover the cost of some of these products. And thankfully, I have been able to do that through the sponsor of today's video, Free Cash, which is an app that pays you money to play video games on your phone. They do have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot, and the app is very easy to use. You first make a free account, pick a game, download it, and you will earn money after completing certain tasks in the game. Just don't forget to enable app tracking in the settings, because this is how Free Cash tracks your progress and knows when to pay you. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. You guys can see there's a lot of games to pick from. And if we go to my offers, I recently started playing Monopoly Go because I loved that game as a kid. And after I'm done with all the tasks, I will make a total of $524, not including the bonuses that I get when I make in-app purchases. Right now, I do have $25 in my account that I made in my spare time playing video games while I drink my coffee in the morning, watch YouTube videos at night, or even while I'm filling up vending machines. I think I'm about to cash out though to fill up the gas tank in the van for tomorrow's route. So let's come down to the bottom and let's do PayPal. There's my email. Let's click withdraw, and there it is. Your PayPal withdrawal of $25 is in review. And if you guys download the app by clicking the link in the description or scanning this QR code here, you guys will receive a free $5 bonus after starting your first game. And depending on where you live, the app might look a little bit different, but the concept is exactly the same. So go earn some free cash in your spare time. And now let's talk about the second reason why you shouldn't start a vending machine business. The second downside of the vending machine business is it doesn't matter how big or small you are, eventually you will lose locations. For example, a few weeks ago, I received this email from one of my locations letting me know that they're shutting down their facility and I have 30 days to remove my machines. This location was making $1,000 every single month consistently, and just like that, gone, poof, vanished in thin air. To be honest, I think I even shed a tear that day because I've had my machines there for almost 6 years, like the entire time that I've been in business. But of course, I couldn't really do anything. I couldn't force them to stay in business. But yeah, this is the part that that most people don't really think about when starting a vending machine business. You will lose locations, especially if you're not providing a good service and your machines are always broken or taking people's money. But the reason why this could be a big issue is because a lot of people start a vending machine business to quit their job and pursue vending full time, which is amazing, but you have to ask yourself, how much would losing a location affect your life? If you're doing this full time, would you still be able to pay your bills? Would you be able to pay for gas, put food on the table? For example, for my company, I spend $6,000 every single month just to keep the lights on. That's for the rent and the electric bill. And of course, it doesn't cover stuff like insurance, payroll, taxes, buying more inventory for the machines. And because of this, you get trapped into this rat race, this never-ending cycle of trying to acquire new clients in case you ever lose the location, which in the end can cause a lot of stress. Anyways, yes, we did end up taking both vending machines out of that location. It was a snack and a drink machine, so here they are. We're unloading them, putting them into my warehouse. Hopefully I can find a location for them soon, but yeah, what a sad day. All right, guys, it's been a few days since I took out the vending machines out of the location. I do feel a little bit better now. As you guys can see, I have the vending machine right outside. You guys might be wondering why. Well, this beautiful machine is going to a new home. Also, if you guys are wondering why there's a gigantic hole, it's because this is where the credit card reader was screwed onto it. So that's why. There he is. What's up? Ain't no way. Like I said, this vending machine is going to a new home. I'm basically trading this machine for a snack machine with another vendor, which he's right here. And look what he pulled up into. How are you?
Oh, good to see you.
Here's the machine. So this is your first one. I mean, you've seen them in the first one,
There's a big hole right there, huh?
I was just talking
Why is there a
about
big hole about it?
So I took this machine out of location because the business shut down, and I was so pissed off I had to shoot at it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, I'm just playing. This is where the credit card reader goes.
I kind of figured that's what it was.
Yeah, this is the drink machine. Everything's working. It cools. Nice little Coca-Cola wrap. I didn't get to tell you guys, but I am trading him this drink machine for a snack machine. And the only reason why is because it's so hard for me to find good snack machines here in Dallas. And again, he's from San Antonio. So let's see the machine. I'm excited. Bro, I gotta get one of these. Hell yeah, it looks nice. I'll show you guys later once I unwrap it and turn it on and everything. But yeah, pretty nice snack machine. And you say you wrapped it too, right?
I wrapped like a little piece of it, like this right here. It doesn't look that good.
Oh.
Oh, actually, also, I got a gift for you.
Really?
The thing I forgot when you came to my shop last time.
No way.
I owed you some coils for the snack machine I sold you.
Bro, it's been like 2-3 videos ago. I went to San Antonio to buy a snack machine from him. I paid a lot and it was missing a couple coils. And you know what? Fun fact, that machine still doesn't have coils to this day, and it's been months. I'm gonna miss you. You've been such a good worker. You made me a lot of money, but you guys can't really see how nice this machine looks in person, but it is looking really, really nice. You know what? I'm actually happy with the deal. I know you're getting the better end of the steak, but
my customer is, to be honest.
oh yeah, you're a customer. Let there be light.
Hey,
Whoa, let's go. I'm so excited. You know, unfortunately, I did have to take out the machines out of that location, but you guys know me. One door closes, 2 more open. So I'm gonna do my best to find a new location for this machine. I do have an extra drink machine over there. So I have a drink machine ready and a snack machine ready for a new location, hopefully soon. I am not eating my own product, by the way. Something else you guys need to realize is that in the vending industry, you get what you pay for. Don't expect to spend $500 on a vending machine and have a perfectly working machine, because vending machines do break down, and once they do, you have 2 options. You either learn how to fix the machine yourself, just like I did, or you pay a vending machine technician $100 an hour to fix the machine for you. And depending on what issue you're having, it could be pretty expensive to fix vending machines. For example, if it's something simple, it could be like a $50 fix. But if your entire drink machine isn't cooling and you have to replace the entire compressor, you could spend upwards of $1,500 just to fix it. I do want to show you guys the entire process that I go through when I fix vending machines. So for example, a few weeks ago, my buddy texted me because I have a vending machine at his business, and he told me that the vending machine was giving away drinks for free. Literally, you would pay for a drink, it would give you the item, but it wouldn't charge you. And on top of that, it would give you 2 drinks instead of 1. So I was losing out on a ton ton of money. I actually had to call the manufacturer of the machine to walk me through how to fix the machine, but after 2 hours, not even they could figure it out. So they told me to buy a brand new motherboard to see if that fixes it. So right now we are on their website and it's $237 that this repair is gonna cost me, and I'm not even sure if it's gonna fix it. So let's go ahead, add it to the cart, and once it gets here, we'll go swap it out and let's cross our fingers that it fixes the issue. Okay, so I'm currently outside of my buddy's shop. I finally got the part. So this is what a motherboard looks like for a vending machine. I don't even know if I can touch this with my hand.
What's up? How are you doing? 3.5 months later?
It's not 3.5 months.
It was. You left me hanging.
Bro,
right to the corner store just for snacks.
It was like a month. How long has it been?
Since I've been begging you to fix it, probably like 2-3 months.
It's not like me, to be honest, to take that long. I didn't show this in the video actually, but I ordered another part. It was the wrong part, so I had to order the new one. This one is the right one.
Is it blue?
Yes.
Let's see. It is blue.
Yeah.
He called me asking me if it was a green or blue or red or blue.
So the other part that I got, it was exactly like this, but it was a red board. And I called him and I was like, hey, can you open the machine? Because I swear it was blue. And then he goes, he checks it, it's blue. And I'm like, bro, I ordered the wrong part.
So what's the difference?
It's for a different machine because this one has the display right here. The other one didn't. Anyways, you guys have seen this vending machine before. We put it here a couple years ago. It was brand new when we put it in. It worked perfectly. Again, it broke, or it didn't break, but it was given out for free. I think the majority of these snacks are also expired, no? January 14th, February 11th.
Hey, I'll still eat those.
Bro, you should have just ate all of these. You have the key. Now it's gonna go bad. I should probably try fixing the vending machine first before completely restocking it, because what if I try fixing it, it doesn't actually work, and then we have all this stuff here for no reason.
Yeah.
I do think it's gonna fix it though, but let's just take care of that first.
Waste your gas.
Waste my gas.
Hey, have you sent me the video of him shaking the machine?
Oh yeah. No, come back.
I'm gonna put the video on the screen.
Now you're having the key and you still shaking it?
Yeah, that's how we have.
Oh.
I think that's why I gave him the key. Yeah. Guys, I'm inside one of the weirdest things right now. It's a mobile tool vehicle. So he basically called this guy just to order drinks because the vending machine is down. Let's show them.
Whenever he doesn't come, we get drinks here because the machine's been down for 3 months, so we get drinks from here. And
I'm gonna buy something just for the video. These are all the options they got. They even have chocolate down there, mini Gatorades, Monster, Coke. But again, it's basically a mobile like tool store. Like there's tools. Do you usually go to like the same businesses, or you just drive around businesses see if they need tools?
So it's a set route. So every day of the week, I'm in a specific area.
Yeah. Do you work for the company, or is this yours?
No, I own this.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, this is a franchise.
Okay.
So everything in here I own.
You want to shout it out? People can find you.
Hey, well, this is Turbo Tools of Texas. I'm Mike Bradburn, Cornwell dealer out here in the Rendon area today. I also do Alvarado, I do Venus, I do Burleson, and I do Mansfield.
If you need tools anytime, I was gonna say 24/7, no, right?
Well,
For the right price.
for the right price, 24/7.
Okay, so I just finished installing the brand new board on the machine. You guys can see all the cables are plugged in. Last step is to turn on the machine. I did leave a couple items in the machine just so I can test it out. Again, the issue was that you would pay with a credit card. You would get the item, but you wouldn't be charged. Also, sometimes when you would buy a drink, it would give you 2 drinks instead of 1. So I'm gonna also test the drinks. Moment of truth. Light turned on, that's a good sign. That means I plugged in the power cable correctly. But here it is, moment of truth. I'm gonna go for the White Monster 45. If it only gives me 1, then it's working. If it gives me 2, it's still broken. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It sounded like 1. Let me make sure. It's just one way. Oh my god, it works. And I just felt my phone vibrate. 60 cents. I set the entire machine to 50 cents just so I can test it, but it's working. I didn't get it for free. I got 1 drink. You know what's crazy? I don't know how long it was giving out 2 drinks for free.
For real, right? I wonder.
Nobody ever tell. That's actually another con about the vending business. If the machine is giving out free nobody cares. Nobody will tell you nothing. The second that someone loses their dollar, it's the end of the world.
Not even $1 if it's a quarter.
Should we tell them it works now?
Yeah.
I'm so happy this machine is finally fixed now. Do you think they're ready to hear the next reason why they shouldn't start a vending machine business?
I don't think so.
Let's talk about it. The last reason why you might not want to start a vending machine business is because of capital. Now, the good news is that you don't need a lot of money to start a vending machine business. I would say $5,000 could realistically get you going, but scaling your business, in the other hand, is a whole different story. For example, let's say you find a location with 75 employees. A location that big is gonna need 2 vending machines, a snack machine and a drink machine. So you could go on Facebook Marketplace and find a used snack machine for $2,000, a used drink machine for $3,000, and of course, if you include the credit card reader, the product to stock your vending machine, and some tools you might need, you're looking at around $6,000 to $7,000 all in. So unless you have some pretty deep pockets or you keep reinvesting your money from your 9 to 5 job, growing your company can sometimes feel pretty slow. And again, this is where most people get stuck. And let's say that location brings in $1,000 a month. That means it's gonna take you 7 months just to save enough money to be able to do it all over again. On the bright side, you don't need to start with your own money either. There is so many other ways to get funded. There's vending machine suppliers that offer financing, or you can also do what I did. I opened up a business credit card. I went with the Chase Ink Unlimited, and they gave me a $15,000 limit, 0% interest for 15 months. That's literally free money that I got to grow my business, which I ended up using to buy 3 vending machines for a new location that now makes like $2,000 a month. So it was well worth it. If you guys want to check out that card, I will have my referral link down below. Thank you if you use it. Again, I'm not telling you all of this to scare you away so I can keep all the locations for myself or to unmotivate you. I just want you to fully understand what you're getting into. I see a lot of people spend their entire life savings getting into this business, but then they struggle to grow because they didn't have a plan. So in the end, just be smart, have a plan, and make sure you're building with the long game in mind. Remember, this is not a get rich overnight business.